Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Stan. Although I'm not a fan of bhindi, but my wife is. So today she has assisted me to make this Bhareli Bhindi because I love bhindi when it's made in this style. I love the taste of all the spices, especially the dried mango, because it gives a nice tanginess. My mouth is already watering. And also the tomato that goes in, it gives a nice flavor. I can eat it with chapati or dal rice, or I can just eat that vegetable when it's made in this style. So today I'm going to make Bhareli Bhindi in my wife's style. It's her recipe. So without further ado, let's get started. So what I do is I start with washing the bhindi well and then I pat it dry. After which I'll slit all the bhindi so that we can stuff the spices. Now while we are slitting it, we can also check if the bhindi is spoilt or if there are any worms in it. Once that is done, we keep it aside and start preparing the spice mix. So in a bowl, I'll take 1 to 2 teaspoon of Kashmiri chili powder, 2 teaspoon of coriander powder, half teaspoon of cumin powder, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of amchur, that's dried mango powder, and now we'll mix it well. And yes, let's add in salt for taste. Okay, I'll just give it a nice mix. Now make sure if at all you want it spicy, you can add in red chili powder. Now I like it less spicy, that's the reason I always use red Kashmiri chili powder in all my recipes. And now let's start stuffing the bhindi with these spices. Now in a pot, let's heat 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. Now for this recipe, we need to take a pot that's flat or it's big for us to stir the bhindi. Okay, you can also use a flat pan, okay, which is big enough to accommodate all the bhindi well. Once the oil is hot, let us add half teaspoon of cumin seeds. Once the cumin seeds starts crackling, we'll add in 3 to 4 garlic cloves finely chopped. Once the garlic cloves are slightly brown, I'll add in 1 medium-sized onion sliced into petals. We'll just saute the onion for 30 seconds and then add the stuffed bhindi. We'll let this cook on medium flame without a lid. Post 2 to 3 minutes, we'll mix it upside down so that it doesn't burn from the bottom. Let this cook for around 6 to 7 minutes and keep mixing it upside down. Once, as you can see, the bhindi is cooked, I will be adding 1 medium-sized tomato sliced. I'll set the sliced tomato at the bottom and place the bhindi over it. Alright, so I'll cover this with a lid and I will let it cook for around 1 to 2 minutes and it's all done, and then I will turn off the flame. Okay, so it's been 2 minutes, I've turned off the flame and now I'll just open the lid. Okay, so look at this. The bhindi is cooked properly and we'll just let the heat settle down and then it's done. So finally guys, my Bhareli Bhindi is ready and I can't wait to taste this. Look at this. Okay, the bhindi is cooked nicely, it's smelling delicious, and now it's time to taste. The spices are just bursting in my mouth. As I said, the monopoly of this dish is the spices. The dried mango powder along with the coriander powder, the red Kashmiri chili powder, and yes, of course, this tomato is giving that tangy flavor as well. So do let me know in the comments below how you like this recipe and how you like this video. Do try this recipe at home. Share this video with your friends and family. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider subscribing it. Till then, my name is Stan. I will see you next time. Bye-bye.